Our extraordinary Submarine series floodlight with IP66 rating and anti-siphon designs. Our waterproof testing is conducted by a professional certification institution following strict testing standards, ensuring accurate and reliable results. Our patented anti-siphon design is the breakthrough innovation that keeps water vapor at bay and safeguards the product from damage caused by water ingress. Our design keeps the product safe and protected for tough weather. Let's compare our Submarine series floodlight with other products. Now you'll notice that there's a lot of water vapor and water droplets in this floodlight, which affects the continued use of the light. But our Submarine series floodlight is still good and safe to use. Our Submarine series floodlight is designed to operate in any tough weather. Don't compromise on product integrity. Choose our Submarine series floodlight with IP66 and anti-siphon design. Experience unrivaled protection that guarantees optimal performance. Although our Submarine series floodlights are waterproof, but please be careful, it's not suitable to use underwater. Do continue to watch our Submarine series floodlight installation guide. Learn more about our Submarine series floodlight, check out this video right over here. Or check out other videos from WELLMAX, you can click here.